So Prakhar, your product is used majorly in what regions? And I'm assuming your alpha and beta customers were probably from India, but
Yeah.
then the usage is pretty similar across the world, or did you have to make some tweaks in the product to make it global?
Like I said, it was a very primarily we sell in US right now. US is our key focus actually, company wide, and the idea is that if you prove your worth in US, you kind of you can attain that thought leadership and that position in the world where you're seen as a true leader, right? So the
So
idea is to first focus on North America as a region and then expand out. So we do get a lot of interest, organic interest from all over the world. We have customers in Australia, in Singapore, in UK. We have a lot of interest in Spain as well, Brazil also. But right now, because of the language barrier, we are not able to service them. But they do try out our product or find out about us from somewhere organically. But the real money that comes in is from North America right now, right? And the realization that happened was that this is a global problem that we are dealing with, right? So you can relate with that, right? Sketch and Figma do not have different versions. They may have different pricing, but they
correct.
do not have different versions with in the United States and in India, and it's a global problem. It's a visual communication problem essentially that we are solving, and I think just with the key pillars that we have, if we are able to deliver on those, I think it's a global problem that we'll be solving.
Wonderful. Yeah, I think that makes sense. It's a global problem and pretty much similar use case, like more of a jobs to be done approach.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, great.